guys, welcome back with another video. Today we'll be checking out the i500 Pro TWS from PodsBuy, and I'll be unboxing and reviewing them on this video. I'll have a link down below in the description where you guys can purchase it from. Now the i500 Pro TWS from PodsBuy will start at $79.99 USD. Now these i500 Pro TWS do have name change, remap, and GPS, just like the real deal. And these also have in-ear sensors. It has the latest Qualcomm chip, just like the H1 chip from Apple. It has Hey series. It has the markings on the unit. Unfortunately, these does not have active noise cancellation yet, but these do have 4 hours to 4 hours and a half per charge of listening time, and also 24 hours additional with the case. So in the front of the box you will have the AirPods Pro, and if you touch it you will feel that there's actually a great bump, just like the real deal. On the sides of the box you will have the stickers with the serial number with all the information, just like the real deal. You will have the Apple logo, and also on the front side you will have the AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. Finally, on the other side, you'll have the Apple logo. In the back, you will have the case, and also in the bottom left, you will have AirPods Pro, and the bottom right, you will have Apple right here, and it does say 2019 from Cupertino. So let's unbox them, let's check these out and see how good they are. By removing the plastic, simply cutting it off. Alright, here we go. Plastic's gone, and here we've got the box. Let's lift it up. Yeah, this is quite difficult to remove from the box, but here we go. Finally, we got the box opened. So once you open the box, the first thing that you will be presented is with the user manual, just like the original one. It does say designed by Apple in California, which is really cool. And let's see what's inside this manual. So it does say AirPods Pro, just like the original one. It does come with the warranty. Okay, it does come just like the original one with 4 package. Other than that, in the box you will have the AirPods Pro from PodsBuy. And in the interior, you will have air tips. That's right, guys. You finally have air tips with the AirPods Pro clones. Let's remove this. And as you can see, we do have additional air tips. Finally, in the box, you will have the lightning cable. And this is actually lightning to USB-C. So here is the i500 Pro TWS from PodsBuy. And let's take out this plastic that is wrapping it. There we go. Now here is the front of the i500 Pro from PodsBuy, and then in the bottom it does use the lightning cable to charge, which I do not recommend you guys to use more than 5 watts. In the back of the unit you will have the markings. It does say designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, and we got the pairing button right here on the back. Inside the case, as you can see, we do also have the markings just like the original ones with the serial number inside. Now these i500 Pro from PodsBuy do have reverse anti-magnetic hinge. As you can see, it does not close. On the bottom of each AirPods Pro, you do also have the engravings in the bottom, and you will have the old generation first and second generation stem on the bottom, but other than that they look 1-to-1 as for the size and design, except for the bottom and also for the air tips it does look a little bit different. So right now let's test out the pop-up feature by opening the case. Then you will have this pop-up that says not your AirPods Pro. What you're gonna do is simply tap on connect, and then you're going to hold the button on the back, the pairing button, for a few seconds until it says connecting. Once it says connecting, you can release the button, and as you can see it is connected. Simply tap on the X, and as you can see that we've got the real battery on the AirPods Pro and also on the case. And as you can see also that on the name it does not say AirPods Pro, but it does say A. So let's try to rename them by going to settings, Bluetooth, and then find the AirPods Pro that you have. simply tap on the little I right here, and as you can see, it does have all the rename and remap just like the original ones. So let's tap on the name, and then we can rename, for example, to Tech Art. So as you can see, I renamed them to Tech Art, and then we're gonna do simply tap on done, and then you can go back, once again go back, and then as you can see, it does say Tech Art, and then you can reconnect them to your device. So also on the Bluetooth menu, you can see that we got noise cancellation, off, and transparency, but I'm pretty sure that these does not work. And you can also control the press and hold on the AirPods for these settings. Let's check out right now the GPS location on Find My iPhone. So as you can see on the Find My iPhone app, we got the AirPods Pro clone available on the map, which allows you to find them in case you lose them. So we can see that does this actually work. Now also, I would like to point out something. If you do scroll down the control center, as you can see, it does have the AirPods Pro logo right here. It does not say Bluetooth, so that's really cool. And also, if you long press it, you can see that you've got the noise cancellation, off, and transparency, which apparently does not work when I click on them. So right now I'm going to test out the sound quality, and we'll see if it's good or not. So I'm going to play Bad Guys by Billie Eilish. Okay, so these i500 Pro from PodsBuy are really good. They got some bass, it's loud enough. I really like the sound quality. Obviously they're not as good as the original ones, but there's one thing about these i500 Pro that are different from the other companies, is that these actually do not use touch controls. They use pressure control. So I'm going to show it to you guys right now. So right now, instead of using the touch control to pause the music, I'm going to press one time with the pressure control on these i500 Pro, and that's going to stop the music. So here we go, one time, and then as you can see, it stops. One more time, and it plays the music. If I double press, it will skip to the next song. As you can see, if I triple tap, it will go back to the previous song. And as you can see, it goes back to the previous song. So that's really cool. So right now, let's test out the ear sensors, and let's see if they pause if I do remove them from my ears. I'm going to remove the left side, and then as you can see, it does pause. I'm going to put it back in my ears, and it plays again. Now I just want to quickly show that the i500 Pro from PodsBuy do also have wireless charging. So I'm going to show you guys right now. As you can see, it's in the case. I'm going to try to wireless charging them right now, and as you can see, it does work. We do have an orange light on the case, which means they are charging right now. So guys, once again, these are the i500 Pro TWS from PodsBuy, and they start at $79.99, $10 cheaper than from other websites, and these are really good. The sound quality is quite good. The build quality is also really good, and you're not going to be disappointed if you test these out. So I have a link down below in the description once again where you guys can check these out. Buy one for yourself for $79.99. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and also Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you guys. So I'll be giving away this i500 Pro TWS to one of you guys out there. The rules are really simple, just like always. Simply be subscribed, like this video, and comment below your Instagram account and tell me why you want it if you want. The winner will be announced on January 11th. This giveaway is international, so don't worry about this. Once again, link below in the description where you guys can check these out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give a big thumbs up to this video if you did enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.